To make it here is an accomplishment in itself, and I'm so proud that I was able to overcome all of the challenges that I was put through. And even just make it to the freaking Olympics. Yes, I'm walking away with the gold and 2 bronze, and these medals definitely mean more than anything in the world. Like I said out there, like, we didn't even think that I would be here, so everything has been hitting me like a freaking roller coaster. Like, I have not stopped crying since, but I'm just so happy, and I'm so glad that I never gave up, because there were so many times where I thought about just quitting. Didn't think that I would ever get to this point. I didn't want to let myself down, but I'm so glad that I had people around me who kept me motivated and helped me through all of the hard times, because I wouldn't be here without them. Started to believe myself, because I didn't believe myself before, and I was just kind of doing it to do it and to see how I would do, and was just proud of the end result regardless. I think that I've learned that I am a lot stronger than I think, and that I'm capable of anything if I put my mind to it. Keep reaching for your dreams and have fun with it, because this time around, I think that as I've matured, I've learned to just take in every single moment. So I would just say, have fun, take in the moment, and enjoy the journey.